Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to repair this portable body massager by replacing its battery. These machines are very handy for muscle relaxation. Now, let's open the device. I'll carefully remove the back cover using a screwdriver. Be gentle here because we don't want to damage the plastic locks or the circuit inside. And here it is, the battery compartment. Here you can see the charging port on the back. It uses a Type-C connection for charging. But even when I fully charge it, the massager runs only for a few minutes and then turns off. That's a clear sign the internal battery is no longer holding proper charge. Next, let's take out the old battery. I am carefully disconnecting the wires from the circuit board. Make sure to note the positive and negative connections because reversing them can damage the device. Always check before removing. Red is usually positive and black is negative, but it's better to confirm. Now let's look at the replacement batteries. I have these fresh lithium ion cells right here. They are 18,650 size cells, which are quite common and powerful. Okay, now we'll connect the new battery. Using a bit of solder, I'll carefully attach the wires to the new cells. Remember, never keep the soldering iron too long on the battery terminals as it can overheat the cell. Once the connections are solid, I'll cover them with heat shrink tubing for safety. Insulation is very important here. We don't want any short circuits. With the new battery ready, let's place it back inside the compartment. It fits nicely and I'll secure it with a bit of tape to prevent movement. Now, let's close the back cover and screw everything in place. Let's test it. I'll press the power button and yes, the massager is working smoothly again. The motor feels powerful and it should now run for a much longer time compared to before. By replacing just a simple battery, we have saved this machine from going to waste. So if you also have a body massager or any rechargeable device that isn't holding charge, try checking the battery first. Most of the time the problem is not the motor or the circuit but simply a weak battery. That's it for today's repair video.